Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. In today's videos I am going to show you the amazing and rich collections of Mrs. dresses and the transition dresses of Mimar, which look stunning and amazing. And I hope you will also like this videos as well, so viewers you can see both beautiful or amazing designs. Mrs. dress is latest design with beautiful and amazing designs of the premises and the neck design, sleeve designs and the printed shirt and a lot of beautiful color combination also in these videos. I hope you will enjoy these videos, so watch these videos till the end so you can enjoy more beautiful and amazing ideas. Combination hand color are amazing difference. Color combination printed shirt design, sleeve designs, so they can also enjoy these amazing videos and watch these ideas. And viewers, also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the bell icon, the buttons, please subscribe my channel.